You guys, we decided to get chicks again. Don't judge us, I know, but we got chicks and we are helping the neighbors build their chicken coop, and it's their first time having chicks. So stay tuned and let's get started. So we're here at the neighbor's house and I finally convinced them to get chickens and start a garden. So we're got started the other day and we're doing some work today because it's a beautiful day, and they have the most amazing little house thing in their backyard that's perfect for their chickens. It just needs to be cleaned up and needs a little work and get it prepped for the chickens. So that's what we're doing today. So they have this cute little area here. It's like 25 by probably 30 in total. Nice big area. And this little house thing in the corner here that's in pretty good shape, just needs some cleaning up to do. So that's what we're working on. And it was all full of some stuff, so we cleaned that all out. And we're gonna finish up all this siding right here. This part right here on the bottom is not done, so we're going to finish the siding, and then we're going to be making some doors and nesting boxes. And it already has a little door on the side right here. We're just going to cover that most of the way so that it's not too open. They're going to do some painting and stuff, and we'll get the nest boxes and their roosts up. Get ready. So we're going to use this little window here as the egg reaching door to reach through. And then we're going to do 2 nesting boxes right here. We already cut all the wood today, and we're going to screw it all together and screw it in place. Okay, so we got the nesting boxes up. Hard to see with the light, but so she's planning on getting 8 chickens. So we made just 2 nesting boxes because, you know, chickens either use 1 box or 2 boxes, and they all like to lay in the same box. So it's looking good. Put a little front edge on here so that they can't kick out all of their straw. And then this door, we'll put a door in this opening so that she can just reach through and grab the eggs. So here are the little baby chicks, and they are 9 days old now. So it's a beautiful day outside, and we are letting them come outside and get a little sunshine and scratch around in the grass and eat little bugs. So we gave them some food and water outside, and we have this little screen on top, which is just our little barbecue screen thing, but it's enough room for them to walk around and keep them safe and let them get some sunshine. And we have it half in the sun and half in the shade so they can make sure they stay warm, because baby chicks have to stay warm still. And they can also go in the shade and come and get some shade. And they're drinking their water, eating their food. Go there and go see them. See their little food? And they're all doing really well. Thanks for helping. All right, one more. Let's see if we cut it right. We're gonna have to cut we're gonna have to find a little piece to go on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, we finished this little siding project. Looks pretty good. And she's gonna paint this whole little house anyway, so now we'll get started on the next part. Okay, we laid out the little area that's going to be the run, and we're getting it put together. And then after this, we're going to do the uprights. But this section is probably, how many feet? Probably, what was it, like, it's probably 15-ish feet by, I think that's an 8-foot piece, so something like that. It's a pretty good size. Okay, so we got the door all framed up. Really cute. The neighbor chose this little diamond pattern design in here for the supports, so the door has less sag. And we got the rest of the framing up in the corner. So the frame is all finished. And we're gonna put the door right here. And that's the next step, is we're gonna get the door in place. And then we are ready for chicken wire. So exciting. Here's the brackets we're going to use. And here's the handle that she chose. Look at your new door. It's a nice looking door you got there. All right. So we made sure to leave a little tiny bit of, a gap everywhere, because wood does swell, heat, and the cold drinks in the cold. So, and especially lifted it up on the bottom so that hopefully it won't drag and scrape. So we might still get a little bit of sag, but hopefully not a lot. So we'll have to see how it goes. So we made this little cute door for the egg door, and cutting all these angles was super special fun time. And it's not exact, but it's for the chickens, so it's fine. So we're just sanding all the edges, make it a little more smooth. Then we're gonna paint it and hang it. And we're going to move the baby chicks in the house part today, because they are getting super crowded. Okay, we got up the little egg door and put the cute little hardware on and the hinges, and then we just have to add the latch and it'll be good to go. Super cute. It's coming together. So I grabbed a couple sticks from my house to make a couple little perches in this corner over here for the little babies. Perfect. Cute little perch for the babies. Okay, here comes the straw. Ready?
Come out.
Ready? You're gonna stay in there or come out? Woo! All right, so I put down just a little bit of the straw, and we have a nice little perch right here. And we're gonna move the little babies in. They are 2 weeks old yesterday, so they are crowded and they are ready to get in here and get in this space. And we blocked off the opening we had right here so they can stay in for the next week or two. And we need to finish up the chicken wire anyway, so there we go. And then I put this little board right here to step over just so they have a little deterrent not to run out the door. Okay, we brought over the baby chickies.
I did too.
Yeah. Such a good helper.
You gonna help?
Okay, you can set this down.
Olivia, you gonna help with the baby chickies?
Step over here, Wednesday. You want your black one?
I want it.
Drop the stick. 2 hands. Be very careful.
We have to be careful not to step on them when we put them down.
This one. This one
There you go.
away.
So cute.
I like it. Ow.
Look how cute.
Just like it.
Wednesday.
Look at the babies.
Please don't play. Mom, I think that one.
Yeah, look at those babies. Look at them.
Oh. She got those too.
Yeah. She named that one Wednesday.
Oh my gosh,
Black one.
cute. Look at those baby chickies. Hi, baby chickies. Be careful.
Mom, I'll just that one.
Well, let him.
That one.
Okay, let him run around for a minute, okay? Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Well, Wednesday's holding the black one right now. Look at these little babies. Look at the other ones. Look at them. Let me see, Wednesday. Let me see. Show me. Show me the little black one. Right here.
Oh, Janelle,
Look it. Look it.
Janelle.
Let me see. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Are you going to put him down? Oh. Okay. We're going to get their food and their water. Get them all ready. Huh.
You want to keep this in here? Yes.
Okay, the baby chickies are 3 weeks old today. Let's go see them. Be careful.
Here, let's leave this out here.
Go ahead, Wednesday.
Okay.
Hi, chickies.
Careful not to scare them, okay?
Go slow. They're so cute, huh? Well, they were 3 weeks yesterday, but 3 weeks
Go in there, Wednesday.
today from when we got them. You want to hold one? You guys gonna hold them? Yeah. Go together. I'll guard the door. Little baby chickies. So I don't know if we mentioned, but we have Americanas, and then the neighbors got a couple of the Brahmas. We have 2 Brahmas, and Americanas, and we have what other kinds, Emily?
Rhode Island Red.
We have a Rhode Island Red.
Buff
And
Orpington.
we have a Buff Orpington. Chickies. He's so cute. And they're getting so big already. You want to hold it, baby? Yeah? Let me see. It's a video. Yeah, show them how cute Chicky is.
Tell them what the name is.
Mama's.
Mamas. Olivia's trying to catch one.
Of course.
Did you get a little baby chickie? These girls are not afraid to catch the chickens. They just reach down and just snatch them right up. They're good catchers. And we're going to work on the chicken wire for outside, and then these babies get to go outside. Can you catch one for her a moment? You want to catch a baby chickie?
There you go.
There you go. Turn around.
Olivia.
Turn around. Watch your head.
It's not right there.
Look. You got your baby? Oh. Turn her over. There you go. Hold her. Oh, little baby. Help.
Mama, baby chicky,
Baby
Mama.
chickie. What color is that one?
Wow.
Wow, she's like a brown, like a red color. So we've been checking them several times on their wing pattern to make sure that they are all hens. And from our calculations, we're 90% sure that they're all hens. But I guess we will find out in a couple weeks. Do you love those chickies, Wednesday? They're so cute.
Come on, baby.
Anyway. Careful,
Stick
baby.
on my hair.
Yeah.
See how silly she is.
Well, we're going to close this video out. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. We'll get the chickies outside.
Run, Mama.
Say bye-bye.
Run,
Say,
Mama.
it's good girl.
Oh, good job.
Baby
Right,
chickie.
Mama, I baby right.
Yeah, you picked it up. Good girl. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Wednesday.
Say bye to the camera.
Say bye right here.
Okay, let's say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say
Bye
bye-bye.
bye. Bye.